the SQL sum function. The sum function means the function returns the sum of numeric column where we can perform only on a numeric column, not on any other columns. Okay. The regular sum function, whenever we do the sum, means it is calculate entire column number. Just assume we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it is calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 4 plus, like it is add and calculate it. Okay. For the use, it is a sum function. Next. Excuse me. Next, for an example, return the sum the quantity, the field's order details. Okay. The select the quantity, sum of the quantity. What are the quantity of the order details? Okay. We're going to select the order details. Just assume. Okay, we have how many order details. I put the star and run the SQL query. Okay, it shows the entire order quantity. Okay, how many lines are there total? Number of lines is a 580. Okay, now I'm going to do the sum on the which is the quantity. Okay, where is the quantity column is there? The quantity column here. The total quantity column it shows. I run. Whenever I run, it shows the sum of the quantity is at 12,743. Okay, the 12,743 is a total quantity sum. Okay, it is add the entire columns and show the specific result. Okay, and next we have the syntax. Syntax is select the sum column name. From the table, we use the where condition. Okay? If you want, you can use the where condition where it's required. It is the database. We have already seen the order details. How many are there? And add a where clause. Where clause where we can add. We can add the where clause a specific product ID. We have a product ID is 11. Okay. The product ID 11. How many quantity is there? In the entire product ID. Just before we have seen that how many product IDs are there. Okay, just go with the star and show the table. Okay, now we have 11 product ID. How many quantity? 12. If we go down, come on, 2, 3. Okay. If any 11, you can see. Okay, we can't calculate the manually. That's the reason we use SQL. Here is 11. 11 is a 50. One is a 50, one is a 12. Okay, we don't know how many are there. That's the reason we want to calculate the order details of the product ID. Means specific. Where formula use whenever require the specific details. That's the reason we use the where formula here. And we go ahead and try it now. Okay. The product 11. How many are there? 11. The sum of quantity 182. 182 pieces we have sell. Okay. What is the product ID? Product ID is 11. Just I will change the product ID as a 13. Then you can see the changes in the sum. Okay, is a 92. If I change the product ID is a, just assume it is not there, but 106. Okay. What the result? The number of record shows 1 means there is a no 106. Okay. I will go with the 56. And now I can run. Okay. How many are there? 269. 269 product IDs is there. Okay. Now use as a alias. We can use as alias in everywhere wherever the sum function or aggregation function is used. Okay, as is the total. Just it is a change as a name. You can see here What is the showing? It's not showing anything. Okay, just showing as a total is a blank. Now I use add. Okay, total quantity, total underscore quantity, total underscore quantity. Okay, now alias how it shows the total quantity. Just whenever you use, it shows as a name, that is alias. Okay, the sum function is completed. We can use as a group by. Now, the select order ID as total quantity. Okay, what we are using, why it is used as total quantity. Where we are performing on quantity, but order by, we are ordering, we are grouping by this order ID we use, because we can't use the group by on a sum. Okay, that is the reason we have taken the another column and we performing the order ID. See, and run. Okay, now you can see the result. Total number of records is the 192nd. Total quantity order 248, 249, 256. Okay, group by. We are grouping as a order ID, not total quantity. Okay, now what is this? You will learn the more of the group by. Okay, we know already group by this sum with the expression. The parameter inside of the sum function can also be expression. If you assume that each product in the order details column costs $10, we can find the total earnings in the dollars multiply of the each quantity. Okay, what is the quantity? The select, the sum, the quantity. Okay, what we are doing? Multiplying with the $10. Okay, this is a dollar value or any value. Then we can see the result. We can use the expression also in the sum function. Okay, now what we are doing, we are checking the quantity and we are multiplying with the 10. Okay, what is the result? Okay, 1 to 743. Yes, I will give the here. Yes, I comma the product ID. What is the result? I will see the spell. Oh, ID. Okay, oh, product ID. Okay, it's not running. The select some in the product size order details. What we use? Just I'm trying. It won't be there. Group by product ID. Just trying if it won't be work. It work man. Okay. Whenever do the product ID, we use the group by column. Then only it performs. Otherwise, it won't perform. Okay. The first product I have how many? 1590. Oh, this is a some function in a SQL. Thank you and subscribe.